RICS conferences have always been very forward-looking in terms of catching the best in the industry trends, picking up the right topics, getting the right audience, and making the debates which actually have an impact on the industry as a whole. And above that, bringing in the stakeholders together and also the government stakeholders so that the message which is discussed and debated by the industry players reaches the policy makers and have an impact at the policy and the industry level as a whole. So today's conference has been largely picking up topics around investments, and our particular session was on the potential for the retail investors and their opportunity to be participating in REITs and what are the REITs and trends. It's been very encouraging that the right topic has been picked up, which is a debate with the industry. It needs deliberations. The ideas which were shared were very positive. It gives right inputs to the policy makers, right inputs to the stakeholders on what directions to be discussed on. The panel which was chosen was a good balance of the developers, fund and the tax planners. So in that sense, a complete holistic discussion, and I'm sure it's very fruitful for the audience and the panelists as well. Well, RICS always chooses the right business heads and leaders of the industry from the larger organizations or from the larger international property consultants or stakeholders from the government who actually drive the policy perspective. So it's been very consistent. It's today's discussion as well as all the RICS discussions. The panelists have always been very enriched with the right knowledge, the right content, and also the RICS does a fabulous job in connecting with the panelists much before, so that thoughts are developed and much organized, and as a result it becomes a fruitful discussion for the audience.